Hello out there. Let's reason together. We're going to look at something interesting on the board. We have a number that is written 10, 2, and 24. So this is quantitative reasoning. And for us to reason what actually happened or how did they get these numbers, we have to think fast and decipher how came about these numbers. And you know, in mathematics generally, we make use of addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. So these are the what we use generally in mathematics. So did they use addition? Did they use subtraction? Did they use multiplication? Or did they use division? What mathematical operation was done to get this number? That is just the main thing. A child needs to think fast. Okay, let's try addition. 10 plus 2 is to give us 24? No, it's not going to give us 24. So obviously it's not addition that was done. What about subtraction? 10 minus 2 will it give us 24? No. Why am I doing this? Because 24 is the biggest number among these three numbers. So I'm trying to check how came about this big number first. Now is it multiplication? 10 times 2 it will give me 20. Will it give me 24? No. Is it division? 10 divided by 2. Will it give me 24? No. So now, if none of the operation was able to give me this big number, why not try to combine the two operations together? For instance, this is 10, this is 2. Okay? If I write 10 plus 2, it will give me 12. Okay? I've done addition. Okay, what about if I multiply, if I did multiplication with an invisible number? Because none of the operation could give me directly 24. Addition couldn't, division, multiplication, and subtraction couldn't give me this 24. So I've done 10 plus 2, which is 12. Now, I can think of invisible number. Invisible number can be 2, it can be 10, it can be any number. Now, what invisible number can I use? Let me directly use 2. So where my answer is 2. Now, the invisible number, like I said, I'm using 2, is multiplied by 2. 12 multiplied by invisible 2. Meaning the invisible means that I pick the 2 from somewhere, it's not from these values given to me. So 10 times 2 will give me 24. So if I've done this, this is how to get my 24, the answer here. Now, in case you're given any question, you can use the same method to solve for it. Now, if I want to get 10 or I want to get 2, for instance, okay, since I know how to get my 24, let's take for instance, I'm giving a question like this. I don't know what is here. I'm giving 2, I'm giving 24. I'm using this particular example to retrace my step back to see if I can get 10. This is my 24. Remember, how did I get my 24? I multiplied 12 multiplied by invisible 2. So now, since it was multiplication that was done, the opposite of multiplication should be division. So this 24 divided by invisible 2, it will give me 12. Now, I'm looking for this unknown. So 12, what was done before? It was addition that was done before multiplying by invisible to get 24. So since it was addition, I'll do the opposite of it. Opposite of addition is subtraction. Minus 2. Minus this 2. 12 minus this 2. Remember, this 2 is different, is invisible, while this one is given. So 12 minus 2 will give me 10. As simple as it is. Now, in case it's the first time of coming across this video, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, you haven't followed me on Facebook or on TikTok, please do so right away by clicking on the share button or subscription button as well. Thank you. Now, let's say, for instance, if you're given to find, let's say I'm given 10, I want to find how to get 2. The same way. I want to find how to get 2. Remember, let's trace the step backward. 24 divided by invisible 2, it will give me what? It will give me 12. So 12, since addition was done, 12 minus 10, it will give me 2. This is how to get 2. So if you have understood this video, please try this exercise number 1 and number 2. Let me know what you get in your comment section. Thank you very much and remain blessed. Bye-bye.